I'd now like to leave you with my 5 key takeaways for No Such Thing's sound. I've also got a blog post linked below that covers the 5 things I've learned from studying No Such Thing's music. Number 1 is space. The first and probably most important is No Such Thing's use of space, something that is apparent throughout all of his work. Treat space as an instrument in itself. Number 2 is stereo width. No Such Thing makes full use of the stereo space we all have available in digital music, not just by placing elements in his mix out wide, but also by having instruments actually moving around in his mix. Number 3 is variations on existing sounds. Rather than introducing new sounds as a way of keeping his work interesting and exciting, No Such Thing chooses in many cases to create a variation of a previously existing sound, which gives you a sense of familiarity about it, allowing everything to gel together more fluidly. Number 4 is less is more. A common practice in music, and this ties in with the previous tip, is to keep introducing new sound after new sound until there's no room for anything else. Leaving space was the first takeaway, and an easy way to do this is to not only remove the unnecessary instruments and sounds, but to also discard all frequencies that are not needed. Number 5 is beginner's mind. I recommend searching into this to find out more information, but in a sentence, it refers to having an attitude of openness, eagerness, and a lack of preconceptions when studying a subject, even when studying at an advanced level just as a beginner would. For me, it's brought back that childhood excitement of anything is possible that I felt back when I opened my first door. To end, I came across another quote from Austin Kleon that I thought describes No Such Thing's work perfectly. In the end, creativity isn't just the things we choose to put in, it's the things we choose to leave out.